See how we make this delicious ogbono soup that you can use alongside. You can use it with your fufu, with your eba, with your semo, with your padene. So stay tuned as we. I've missed this space. So today I'll be cooking delicious ogbono soup. So I'll take you guys along. Let's prepare this together. It has been long. I have did a food video, guys. It has been long. I don't know when. So here I have all my protein, my beef, my chicken, my turkey, and my assorted meat. So I'll go here by putting salt. There is no water on this meat, guys. I always talk about, if you want to have a delicious meal, always make sure you steam your meat before adding water. So I'll go here to add my salt, and I'll go to add my seasoning cube. I'll just add it alongside. This seasoning cube, this one is for the stew. This one is for stew. I don't mind using it as well. Just add seasoning cube to it and add more salt to it. Okay, so I'm going to stir it up together. You can see, and I allow it to stem before adding my water. I'm going to cover it up. You guys, to my ingredients, I have my dry ogbono here. I'll be using this leaf. This is green leaf. If you know green, that fresh green leaf that always come out in a planting season, this is green leaf I'm using. And I have my stuffed fish here. It's not that much. I'm soaking it a little bit before. I have my seasoning cube and my salt. So these are all the ingredients I will be using in this food recipe. It's remaining my pepper, so I would introduce all of them to you guys one after the other. Okay, so I added water to it outside camera, so you guys can see it. The thing is boiling, so I've removed the chicken, the turkey meat, I mean. So I'm going to add pepper to it. Yesterday now they call us one of person wey we know, but not be our, not be na our brother, or we dey call am brother, but not be the same country, na Ghana na e for come. They say e delete. I no know wetin I go talk am because of white teeth. That's why I use pidgin language. Wetin I wan try to talk be say I wan advise we people wey dey abroad. Life dey very very short. Enjoy your life when you are young. Eat the one wey you eat for your belle, na be your own. You see all those car, all those house, even the pikin wey you born sef, no one dey follow us dey comot for this life. Make we no dey stingy for ourselves. Make we take care of ourselves. I remember one guy when I know very very well. He see me come say, mama, how you dey? I say I dey fine oo. I say he wan come buy meat. He come dey buy intestine. I say, bro, this person na person wey be like say dey work morning till night. No be say e no dey work. Na so he come begin dey use intestine. He say he wan take cook soup. Now I say, bros, na make you just better buy meat. Say no, I no buy meat oo. Meat dey there now. You know how much €10 be for Nigeria? €10 na money now. No, the money go reach person. Now person dey save. I am not an advocate of not saving money. But even if as you dey save money, try make you dey chop well. Try make you dey wear good cloth. This our brother, may he so rest in peace. The time wey dey alive, he no dey wear good cloth. He dey struggle. He no go even fit eat good food. For him to buy new cloth, better go buy second hand. They no dey see better cloth for him body. we go advise am, e go say no, him dey save money o, him wan carry the money o, him wan do things o, him dey save money o, him dey save money o. This life is too short. Eat, eat what your stomach need, because life tomorrow can be 6 o'clock. I know that when I was growing young, they will say, it's only old people that die. Even now, young people do die. At the end of the day, these people go struggle morning till night, you work Monday to Sunday. At the end of the day, you can't eat good food, you can't take good care of yourself, and you can't even take your health serious. Like once go still go check your body for hospital, make you know say you dey okay, e no dey. Till dey to the extent wey dem say the person don fall collapse, wey dem come say make dem quick rescue am, na there you go follow. Eat good food. I no dey talk of people wey no fit afford. If you no fit afford good food, na God go protect the person. Dat one na another case. No be say you go dey stingy. Dat house, dat car wey you want say make you dey save money to buy, what of something come happen to your life? What of something come happen to you? Dat car wey you buy na next of kin. Dat car wey you dey fear to even ride, you no go even wan use am beat gallop, you no go even use am, you dey use am on occasional day. Your next of kin go use the day wey dem dey put dat person for ground, na next of kin go carry dat motor, e go use am scatter am. House wey you dey build na vanity upon vanity. Invest for where you dey. Some of people dey wey e be like say dem get mansion for Africa, but for here na one room dem dey live. Dem dey live like ants. Invest for where you dey. Take good care of yourself. Eat good food, my people. Wherever you are, both home and Nigeria, eat good food. If you can afford good food, eat good food. Do what make you happy. I know what I'm telling you. Even me, the same thing wey I dey tell you, I dey learn too. Because sometimes something go dey wey be like say person wan chop, you say no, you wan just save this money for something important. You go dey eat another thing. Life is too short. Life is short, my people. Life is short. Life is short. Money, cars, food, skincare, everything na vanity upon vanity. None of them dey follow person dey go house. Take care of yourself. Don't be stingy. You see that latest shoe wey your eye dey, if you get money, buy am, wear am for dis your leg. You see that better shirt wey you like, wear am, buy am, put for your body. Because dem no dey wear cloth for grave. Who don die no dey wear fine shoe. Na who dey alive dey wear fine shoe. Who don die no dey eat good food. Na who dey alive dey eat good food. My people, I no go fit come do video about this. Na say make I talk am because this thing bother me for my heart. Yesterday when I hear this news, I cry. I say if I do this video, I must advise my people, especially people in the diaspora, people wey dey abroad, wey e be like say any small thing they go send money go house. They no mind make they no eat, but make everybody, family, friends, relatives, make they dey okay. Some of them, for them to eat better food, they will eat pasta, eat indomie. I dey here, I dey see our people. Don't be an hypocrite wey no believe say God no dey. Try. I know say Western world, they no believe in God. All these white people, they no believe say God dey exist. Make sure you know God. Because na wetin person know, na person dey call upon. Make sure you know God. Make sure you strong in prayer. And if you have any brother, sister, friend wey live abroad, una dey pray for them. E no easy for obodo oyibo. E no easy for abroad. People are going through a lot for abroad. You know how many cases young people that they die every day for abroad. Na even the one wey person hear na person fit talk. Whether Nigeria you dey you dey anywhere you dey Asia country, anywhere wey you dey for dis life, try make you dey take care of yourself. Let yourself be your first priority, as English talk. No underrate yourself. Take care of yourself. Do wetin go make you happy. If na food, anything wey go give you joy for dis life, put your hand for there, because life dey very short. Do wetin make you happy. Wear good cloth, no be say you dey wear rag. Some people for dis Europe, if you see dem, na only when dem wan comot go Africa na im dem know say dem go buy designer cloth, dem go come buy expensive cloth, dem go come buy better perf, dem go come buy better cream, dem go come take care of themselves. When dem reach bongo, people go dey say, hey, na enjoyment e dey o. But for here, dem be like rag. Why una be like that? Life dey very short. Na dis one be my advice to una, my people. Na dis one be my advice to everybody, whether home or Nigeria. Life dey very short. Na wetin you eat, na food wey you eat, na water wey you drink, anything wey you eat, na im dey follow you dey go house. Na im dey follow you dey go house. If tomorrow say na 6 o'clock finish, na wetin dey follow you dey go house. No use hungry take beat your belle because say you wan save. Eat when it's necessary. Wear good cloth, na wetin you wear for your body. Na im people go take address you if you no dey dis earth again. Na wetin you do for dis earth, na im people go take address you when you no dey dis earth again. Because all those money wey you dey save, those car wey you dey save, make God make no let person die untimely death. Make God no let us, God no let us see shege. All those things we no go fit. Dem go go. This is my advice for you all, my people. I can't make this video too long. There is a lot. This is my advice for you. This is what I felt so very, very bad yesterday. I felt down. I cried. But I need to keep you guys. I need to advise. I don't know whosoever that watch this video. At least we'll take 2 or 3 of this word. Make yourself your priority. Enjoy yourself when you dey alive. Who don't die no fit enjoy himself. I will see you guys on my next recipe video. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay positive, all the best, be nice to one another. I love you guys.